Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download Trust Wallet app in Android. So the first thing you do is go to Play Store, tap on Play Store, and then you tap on the search icon at the bottom, search bar at the top, and type in Trust Wallet. Tap on it, and this is Trust Wallet. Tap on it, and then you tap on Install. So Trust Wallet, this is Trust Wallet. It's downloaded by 140 million people globally. Helps to manage all your crypto assets, move your crypto across chains, view all your NFTs in one place, helps you to send and receive crypto, explore Web3 in the dApp browser, proactive risk notifications. So that's what it's for. Let's see. It explores NFT collection and access thousands of Web3D apps. So, as you can see, there are some great reviews here about the app. So you tap on install. So you start downloading. After downloading, it will install automatically. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this one, which you put up every day.